Hello class, I hope you enjoyed that very insightful video about like terms. Thank you, YouTube. So now we are going to go ahead and do our example 1, and please title it as such, Identifying Terms in Like Terms. Now let's start off with an example A, and I'm going to go ahead and write 9x minus 2 plus 7 minus x. I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to write that down. Okay, now first things first, I would like you to rewrite this as a sum of terms. So remember, popcorn, now we're going to rewrite it as 9x. I see a subtraction, so I'm going to add the opposite. And then this is positive, this is an addition problem, so I'm going to go ahead and write it just as is. Stop! I see another subtraction, so pop, corn, x. Awesome. Go ahead and write that down. Awesome job, class. And now, we are going to first identify the terms before we can identify the like terms. Now, what separates the terms are the operations. So we just changed these all into addition. So every time we see an addition, we are going to see that that's the separation between the terms. So go ahead and get another marker out, a highlighter, or another colored pen, and I want us to circle the terms. So 9x is a term. -2 is our next term. 7 is our other term. And is this an x? No, it is a -x. Awesome job. So go ahead and circle your terms. Alrighty, so now that we have our terms circled, our next step is to collect our like terms. Now, there's this property out there. I want to see. There's this property out there of addition, and I wonder if any of you know what it's called. It starts with a C. Say it out loud. Do you know? Yes, commutative. So commutative property tells us that we can move around any term that we would like, as long as it's all addition. That is okay, the commutative property of addition. So I see 2 like terms, and remember, as that lady said in the video, like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same exponents. So all of the whole numbers without any alphabet variable are like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and write our like terms. So go ahead and write this, like terms. Okay, and so let's first collect our x's. So our like terms there are a 9x and, what is it? Not an x, but a -x. Now our next set of like terms are going to be our whole numbers. Actually, our integers, because that's a negative. So we have -2 and a +7. Very good. Please write that down. Awesome job. So that concludes our example 1, our ability and our skill to identify terms and then identify the like terms. Way to go. So we are going to go ahead and try some on our own. Take out your whiteboards.